Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be installing this gorgeous, really nice and full wig from Hermosa hair. So they went ahead and sent me a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is in deep wave and it is 24 inches. The rest of the details will be in the description box below for you to check. This hair is mad full, super duper thick, and I'm loving that for me. I'm loving this for a vacation, super vacation friendly. So if you or anyone you know is going on a vacation soon, don't be scared. Share this video with them so they can see how to install their gorgeous deep wave wigs from Hermosa hair. And let me stop rambling, let's jump into the video so I could show you how I did this easy, quick, effortless install. you guys, this is what the hair looks like after installing it and diffusing it. So let me go ahead and give you guys the specs on this wig. It is from Hermosa Hair, and it is their 13x4 lace frontal deep wave unit. It is in 24 inches and it is in 220 density. More of the details for this wig will be in the description box below, where you will find the links to this hair, as well as the links to all of Hermosa's website and all their socials, all that jazz. All their information pretty much will be in the description box. Personal contact, everything, honey. Like, we locked and loaded in the description box. But this is just what the hair is looking like. It's giving volume. It's really nice and full, and I feel like this is the first time I've ever gotten any deep wave wig that was this full. It was relatively easy to pluck. I had no issues with tinting. As you guys can see, it's a blender. She's a match. Yes, installing the wig on a whole was really easy. Like, when I tell you, this hair was just perfect. When it came down to diffusing, wetting it down, like, it dried down relatively fast. Like, do you see the fullness in the hair? And I'm loving it. I'm going on vacation soon, and I really feel like I'm gonna bring this wig. She's giving vibes. Like, the waves are everything, the pattern, just the fullness of this hair on a whole. And I've never seen it before with deep wave wigs. It's never this thick, and I'm loving this wig. So if you would like to purchase, again, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And honestly, I have no negative remarks about this hair. It's all 10s across the board. Shedding was at a minimum. Like, it's just good hair. So that is pretty much it for today's video. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and I will definitely get back to you at my earliest convenience. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.